There are numerous institutions that strive to offer top quality technical education of international standards. The institution that we're featuring today strives to offer an enabling environment to nurture critical and creative minds. It is also the #1 technical institute in Gujarat. Welcome to College Suggest. And in this video, we are reviewing the Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2019 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. IIT Gandhinagar was established in 2008. And it was one of the 8 Indian Institutes of Technologies that was announced by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. From its establishment, IIT Gandhinagar has strived to offer the best undergraduate and graduate education in India with unmatched innovations in its curriculum. Let's take a look at how the institution has performed under the different parameters set by the NIRF. IIT Gandhinagar has given its best in teaching, learning, and resources, with a score of 80.59%. The research and professional practices have scored 31.01%, while the graduation outcome has a score of 56.27%. Outreach and inclusivity has scored 61.35%, and perception from the public has a score of 34.59%. Including all of these, IIT Gandhinagar has an overall NIRF score of 54.32%. and has moved up to the 24th rank on the NIRF table. IIT Gandhinagar is located at Palaj, Gujarat, on the banks of the river Sabarmati. The nearest railway station to the institution is the Ahmedabad Junction, which is 29 kilometers away. The nearest airport with international connectivity is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, which is 21.4 kilometers away. Also, there is a campus shuttle operating on all days at regular intervals to facilitate travel between the campus and a few key locations in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. IIT Gandhinagar's student-centric campus spreads over 400 acres, and the infrastructure of the campus is excellent with state-of-the-art buildings and many modern amenities. The library possesses a rich collection of books, research journals, and electronic resources in varied areas. Library electronic resources are accessible from anywhere on campus. The library has also started subscribing to research journals in electronic as well as printed formats. IIT Gandhinagar's campus has an excellent hostel for both boys and girls and is largely self-sufficient with most daily needs and services available within the campus. The hostels are air-conditioned and furnished with good dining facilities. Friendly and professional staff are available to help students with their various needs in their hostels. Participation in various sports activities is highly encouraged, and IIT GN students have been successful in inter-IIT meets. IIT GN has grounds for football, cricket, volleyball, and basketball, as well as indoor facilities for badminton, table tennis, and a gym. A brand new sports complex is being constructed as well, with Olympic-sized swimming pools, a modern gym, squash courts, and a rock climbing wall. The Joint Entrance Examination Advanced is the common admission test for all the students seeking UG admissions from IITs. The Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, GATE, is conducted for admission to various PG programs. IIT GN offers 6 UG and 8 PG engineering programs. IIT GN has an approved intake of 180 seats for UG and 260 seats for PG programs. The total number of students pursuing their engineering degrees is 871, out of which 86.56% are boys and 13.44% are girls. The institution has 114 students from Gujarat and 757 students are from other parts of the country. Also, there are 165 full-time students pursuing their PhDs, and in the last year, 12 full-time students graduated with a doctorate. The graduation percentages have shown a drop in both UG and PG programs. UG graduation has dropped a bit by graduating 72.34% of the students. Among the graduates, 29.41% of the students chose to study further. PG graduations have also shown a drop. 74.56% of the students graduated, out of which 11.76% decided to go on for higher education. Though graduations have shown a drop, the placement percentages have improved and shown notable results. UG placements have improved when compared to previous years. 75% of the students were placed, and the number of students placed is 54. The placed students were offered a median salary package of 6.63 lakhs per annum. PG placements have also shown improvement. 55 students were placed with a placement percentage of 73.33%. The salary package offered is 6 lakhs per annum. IIT GN brings recruiters from all sectors, and some of the companies who hire students from here are Cognizant, Microsoft, Ericsson, Goldman Sachs, Infosys, Flipkart, Wipro, TCS, Samsung, and many others. IIT Gandhinagar has recruited excellent faculty members trained at some of the world's leading institutes. There are 137 professors, and 96.35% of them hold a doctorate. And there is one faculty member for every 7 students. IIT Gandhinagar encourages all its students in research activities. The researchers include faculty members, visiting scholars, postdoctorate fellows, graduate and undergraduate students. They collaborate with colleagues across the institute at affiliated institutions as well as at other research institutions. When it comes to patents, the institution has improved its published patent count to 3 across the years, and no patent has been granted in the past years. As a result of the research projects, the institution has received over 25 crores as its sponsored research funding, and over 2 crores was received as consultancy project funding. A good amount has been spent as capital and operational expenditure, and this was effectively utilized in various areas. Over 24 crores was spent as capital expenditure, out of which 81.04% was spent on purchasing new lab equipment. As operational expenditure, over 94 crores was spent, out of which a huge portion was spent on the maintenance of the academic infrastructure. Blithcron, the 2-day cultural festival of IIT GN, is an event that acts as a catalyst for budding talent from various universities, colleges, and institutes from across the country. This fest has seen a total footfall of 22,000 students from various colleges. Amalthea is the annual technical summit of IIT GN. It focuses on spreading technical knowledge in the minds of the students to develop technology for the betterment of humans, bringing together the best minds from industrial and academic worlds and providing a platform of interaction between them. Amalthea promises to entice every prospective engineer. Considering all the facts and the NIRF score, we see that IIT Gandhinagar's strong faculty team has helped them in moving up in the rankings. The institution also maintains a decent placement percentage and salary package. However, this is quite low when compared to its peers. The graduation percentages also need to be improved. We observe active efforts from the institution to scale up its graduation and placements and expect good results in the coming years. The institute's research activities are also pretty decent, and IIT GN constantly shows progress in its research programs. With all of this, IIT Gandhinagar aims to be an institution for higher learning in science, technology, and humanities, which aspires to develop top-notch scientists, engineers, leaders, and entrepreneurs to meet the needs of society. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information visit collegesuggest.com.